Alright, so I just bought myself the Barnett Hyper Raptor. These things are basically brand new. Had to go over to the States to get it. I live in Canada. So let's get this unboxed and see what's inside. Very sleek packaging. It's got all the information on the back here. One thing that initially stands out to me is that it's a single bolt assembly, so it shouldn't take me very long to put this thing together. Okay. So my first impressions on it are that it looks pretty sleek. That's kind of the selling point for me. And these very, very thin diameter bolts. Comes with 3 of them. Just kind of go along with the color coding of the bow. It's got like nice red accents to it. So here's the body of the bow. Seems pretty light. There's like good rubber like material on the handle, and I know the stock is adjustable as well. Pulls out decently. I feel like it's a good fit so far. Feels relatively light. The scope has some nice reticles on it. And it seems to be illuminated as well. And there's batteries out of the box, so that's good. And this is the most exciting part, is the limbs here. Everything seems to be all packed up nicely, and very narrow as well, which I guess is one of the selling points of this bow. Is that it's very narrow. So it's got this little sticker on talking about some trigger tech stuff, and the speed's advertised at 410 feet per second, which is like, it's pretty quick. Got the quiver here. This looks like your standard 3-arrow Barnett quiver. And all the other accessories, the rope cocker with the sled. The instruction manual. Got everything I need in it. Glue and some points as well for the arrows, which I'll be putting heavier tips on them because it's just much easier on the limbs. So I feel like, pretty straightforward. You just kind of slide this sucker in, and that's what she looks like. Pretty clean. It's got a nice weight to it. I'm not really sure how to get this little foregrip down yet. I'm sure there's some. Oh, there's a button right there, which is nice. Yeah, feels real nice. yeah, I haven't seen many of these reviews yet on YouTube. So, you know, I'm going to put a few shots through it tomorrow, and then I'll keep everyone updated. Cheers.